the stocks to watch out for when the markets open for trade today, Shrishti. But for now, if you look at the pre-open trade, indicating that we are in for a muted start, and so it's kind of good because you've seen consolidation creep into the market, and it's always healthy.
Well, certainly it seems to be healthy as well because the strength in the broader markets is still persisting. The only concerning factor is India VIX, because just yesterday it was a 4% jump, and some of the experts also highlighted that a jump even to the 19-odd level could be a little bit tricky for the markets. But first rates on your screen, it's a gap up start for the markets, almost a 60 points of jump coming in for Nifty 50 and even Nifty Bank, 0.2% gain for this particular index. But a lot of movers indeed, like we have been highlighting, the metal pack is shining bright after the rate cuts happening in China. While they have been very marginal, but the shine in the metals is indeed that we have been tracking stocks like Hindalco, Tata Steel, JSW Steel. They are the top gainers in the Nifty 50 pack. Other than that, BEL2 also had a gap up start, but given the fact that the stock has already run up almost 21% in the past 1 month, the stock is now almost trading flat. Other than that, Power Grid on a back of a not so great set of numbers is down almost 1%. Bajaj Auto, after that 4% jump up, is seeing some bit of a profit booking today. Even stocks like Titan, HDFC Bank, they are the mild losers in trade right now. But within the F&O pack, it's once again seems to be a day of realty pack because DLF is indeed leading it from the front. Ashok Leyland on the back of that bonus issue announcement, that stock is holding on to the gains of almost 3%, and some of our experts also highlighted the breakout in this counter. Other than that, the IT pack, LTI Mindtree, Persistent, they are the movers. But on the flip side, it's Petronet LNG that is down almost 2.5% even after a good set of numbers. Seems like that the volumes are not that exciting. HAL, the second day on the trot after a good set of numbers, not so great management commentary, down almost 1% as we speak right now. But nothing to complain much given the fact that the breadth of the market is looking a bit cheerful, especially when it comes to the advance decline ratio. For NSE, it's over 1400 counters that are holding on to the shade of green. Nifty Bank, almost 100 points of gain, while Nifty 50, though still below that 25,000 mark, but nevertheless still on holding on to the green side as well. India VIX is trading absolutely flat as we speak right now and trading at levels of almost 70-odd mark.
Right, so that's the way how the markets are panning out at this point in time. To start coming in for the benchmark indices. In fact, we are trying to hold on to the shade of green with great difficulty. But let's take a look at what the broader markets are doing, and that one also is in tandem with the benchmarks in trade today. In fact, you have Petronet LNG, and what's key to note, no doubt, the numbers have beaten estimates. Your PAT has beaten estimates. The volume is what has actually missed the estimates. The core EBITDA, however, still ahead of estimates. Volume missed by about 8%. That's what the brokerages are indicating, and that's one of the reasons why you're seeing that downtick coming in on the Petronet LNG stock price at this point in time. So watch out for that one. BEL, yes, like Shrishti mentioned, it is actually given up some gains right now, given the fact that it has already seen solid and sharp run up. So that's the way how the markets are looking like at this point in time. The breadth is pretty much intact, but looks like a very timid or a muted day for us. In fact, we spoke to Manish Sontale earlier to get his views on various sectors, where